Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create post table with search and sort. Let's get started. So in order to do that, you need to head over and add a new plugin on your WordPress plugin marketplace. Just search in here for post table and scroll down until you can see this easy table of contents right here. So let's head over and click on this install now. And then while it's installing, you can just wait for it to finish installation process. And once it's done, just make sure to click on this activate button in order to activate it. Now, after its activation, you can see it right here. You can enable support for posts and pages. So we won't tamper with this right now because we need this for our post page. So make sure that this post right here is enabled. And scroll down from in there, and you can also enable auto insert if you want as well. And in here, you can see the positions, the paragraph wherein it will be added as well. So as you can see, it's actually automatic. But once you're done with everything, what you can do next is to just head over to your post or create a post that will actually enable all the posts that you have. So click on this, add new post as well, or you can also click on all posts. Now, as you can see from in here, it has been added on the table of contents. Now, I can't actually search and sort because I only have two right here. But if you have more, you can head over and sort them according to your liking as well and search through the contents that is available. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.